I'm Luigi from 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗏, and I'm going to teach you how to roll a pair of jeans for packing to save you space and reduce wrinkles. Let's roll. Step 1, lay out a pair of jeans. Step 2, zip them up and button them up. Step 3, we are going to invert the waist and fold it down to create a cuff that is about 4 inches or so, making sure it's nice and even on the front and the back. For step 4, we are going to fold one side and line it up where the zipper would be. And step 5 is doing the same to the other side, as well as overlapping the pant legs on top of each other. For step 6, we're going to start rolling the bottom really tightly all the way to the top. And for step 7 is we're going to take our hand and stick it in the cuff that we made in step 3 and wrap the jeans. Forming a beautiful jean burrito. Woo! You did it! You deserve to look your best when traveling, and now your clothes won't have those hideous creases on them and will look great right out of your bag. At 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗏, we know packing and pulling suitcases is frustrating. We tell you what and how to pack so you can travel easily with just one bag. Go to 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗏𝗏.com right now to learn how to pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. Thanks, and happy trails.